Closing.
Welcome, this is F King Ride. My name's Sean. I identify as Whoopi Goldberg's left shoe, and today we're going to be changing the air filter on a VFR 800. For this you'll need a socket set, a screwdriver and one of your children's magnetic darts from a Christmas present. Here I'm removing the cowl and the seat. The two front bolts from the petrol tank, which stands up on a hinge, so don't worry. I'm propping the tank up with a stick. You can use whatever you like. Fish tank, grandma slip flops. The two front screws on the air filter box are an absolute bastard to take out. Air in a can works well to clean them. Get them most of the way out and the pliers can lift them out. Don't drop that into the engine bit. And this is where the magnetic dart comes into play. Ta-da! Make sure it's the same as the new filter. And some shit in here. There we go, I want to be careful with this. Last thing we want is anything falling in them fucking cylinders. When putting the new air filter in, just make sure everything aligns up properly. Yeah, you can take a little bit of fucking wiggling to get it into place. Okay. Everything's sitting where it's supposed to sit, lining up where it's supposed to line up. That definitely is not. Nice fresh filter. I'm going to do everything in fucking reverse. Then just reassemble the bike in reverse. Back to the generator, like 22 23 year old on the VFR 800 FR. This is the back, I'm going to get it a bit more protected. That's how it goes. Put some new screws in. At some point, they're fucking wrong. That's how you change the air filter on a VFR 800. I haven't started today.